Hey guys, Bobby Haggard with TrinSoft here, and I was sitting at home here now, and I guess fourth week of this coronavirus pandemic stay-at-home order, and I was thinking about how it's been nice that our team has had this Microsoft Teams as we've been able to really collaborate and work together with our various groups and work groups and stay connected and get and still continue to get work done. And thought I'd just shoot a quick little video to give everybody kind of an idea about Teams and what it does and how it keeps us connected and then, if you have any questions, we'd certainly be able to help. So if you have any questions after seeing this video or further interest in Teams, just reach out to one of your TrendSoft team members. We'll be happy to get connected with you. So let's just jump right in here. This is my live Teams environment, so hopefully nothing too public is being or private is being shown here, but let's jump right in. So across the left, this is our kind of navigation pane. So different tiles you have: activity, chat, Teams, calendar, calls, files, etc. And then across the top is a different feature to start a new chat, a search window, as you can see here, where you can do different commands, which obviously will come live. And then as you're searching for things, it'll pull up those various teams or whatever it is you might be searching for. There's an organization that you're in, and then your status. So as you click on your name there, you can set your available status. If you're busy, if you're in a meeting, if you're away, etc. You can set that. You can also abilities to have different settings, different keyboard shortcuts you can set, and then some other nice features which we'll hit on as we continue to go through. So along the left side there is our activity area. This is just kind of a general area where you see different posts of things that have been added or changed. Um, Nice little filter option that's available. Three different posts that you'll see on each one. You'll see on each channel, you'll see a post, a files, and a wiki. These all come standard. And then you see that you have the ability to add different tabs across the top as you see fit that would be helpful for you and your team. Lots and lots of connectors for that are available out there. Chat is your peer-to-peer communication with your team. So this is where obviously you can have multiple chats with different team members going on. You can see what those chats are. Really nice. You can see whether somebody's read something or seen something or not, which is a nice feature again as well. You can obviously share files back and forth if there's a need to share things back and forth or set things within an organization or even some directions around activity, which is really nice. You can also have multiple people in a chat, which is nice. So here I have two people I'm talking with, Jason and Tara, and you can see we've gone back and forth about kind of what's available and what's out there. Teams, the Teams area, this is kind of the meat and the bones of Teams here, is these are your different work groups within your company. And then within each work group, you have a channel that you can post information to. Very common here. You have your posts area, again, different thread, and people can post comments or etc. that they'd like to. There's files, so as you're sharing files and messaging information back and forth, you have that information. Meeting notes, so as you're holding meetings and taking notes, you can obviously keep those updated as you go. And then the other tabs are again ones that have been added. So these are some of the different connectors that we've added within our specific teams that we use. The next area is calendar. Really nice integration here within Outlook. So here I have my various Outlook calendars that are available. Could quickly set up a new meeting if I needed to, where I would add, the title, who I need to attend, the date and time, and it would send that out, and it would be a connection through Team. Um, really nice integrations. Some of the teams also have the ability to make calls within Teams. So one of the nice things, let me jump back here to chat, is within any of these, you can see we could jump on a really quick video call with those two team members, a quick just a audio call. And then you also have the ability to quickly save or share your screen so that others on the call with you can see what you're looking at. So some really nice collaborative tools that are available within Teams. Then you can see within calls, obviously all the basic call features that are available, contacts, history, who you've called, etc. That's included. And then there's the files area, so you can quickly see some of the recent activity that's gone on and that you've done within your area. So I know that was a really quick hit on Teams. Just wanted to introduce it to you. It has been a really nice collaboration tool and a way for us to stay connected to our various team members here at TrinSoft. So if you have anything else you'd like to see with Teams, please don't hesitate to give us a call, 859-252-6225, or feel free to email any of your TrinSoft team members. Or if you're just new to TrinSoft, feel free to give us a quick email at sales@trinsoft.com. Sales@trinsoft.com. Thank you.